back to Globe with Shelly. So I have a confession to make. My fiance bought me something. Okay, so let me go back. So I kept talking about wanting an LED mask. And I mean, I wanted like red light, LED mask that also had the blue light capabilities. So my fiance, who is super sweet, bless his heart, went out and got me an LED mask. I didn't have the heart to tell him that it wasn't the mask that I wanted, and I still don't have the heart to tell him, even though he's gonna see this video, so he's going to know it's not the mask that I wanted, but we'll just cross that bridge when we get there. How about that? So let me tell you the kind he got me. He got me the Dr. Dennis Gross Dr. X SpectraLite FaceWare Pro LED mask. Whew, that's a mouthful. So I'm gonna talk in today's video all about LED masks, my experience with this LED mask in particular, and why maybe you should be incorporating LED light therapy into your beauty routine. So remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. So I got this mask for my fiance, and bless his heart, he really did get me one of the best masks on the market. I didn't tell him what type of mask I wanted, so he kind of did his own research, and he did really well, really, honestly. He did awesome. This is a great mask. I got the Dr. SpectraLite FaceWare Pro Mask LED by Dr. Dennis Gross, and here is the box that it comes in. It's a great mask. So let's talk this mask because it really is a wonderful mask. It contains 100 red lights at 4 different wavelengths, and those wavelengths are designed to make changes to your skin. And then it contains 62 blue lights, which are designed to both fight the P. acnes bacteria and reduce hyperpigmentation. So together, these lights are designed to boost collagen production, to improve skin density. And if you know anything about skin, thick skin equals younger looking skin. So it's designed to increase that skin density. It's designed to smooth any wrinkles that you do have. That doesn't mean they'll completely go away, but they do reduce in appearance and fight hyperpigmentation. So this mask is designed to do so much. It retails for $435, so it's a little bit of a pricier mask. And LED, really honestly, LED is going to be an investment. Any LED that you get, if you get a cheaper LED mask, you're probably not getting all the science behind it. These LED lights are not just any LED lights. They have to be set at a specific wavelength in order to penetrate the skin to make changes. You don't want them to penetrate too deep. So there's a lot of science that goes into this, and it is going to be a little bit pricier item. So you really need to do some research when you're looking into these masks, or go with a very trusted brand, because you really want those LED lights to be quality LED lights. You want to make sure that there's science behind the actual product and that you're going to be making those changes to your skin. So that being said, it is a pricier item, but definitely worth the price, and I consider it almost like an investment into your skin. Okay, so how do you use this mask? Well, this is super, super easy to use. I think the reason why he went with the Dr. Dennis Gross mask in the first place is the length of time. Really, this is not much time at all. You only have to wear this for 3 minutes, and literally you just put it on your face and you choose the setting. It has a red light setting, and then it has a blue light setting, and then it has a purple light setting, and that's the one I use for my face. And then I pop it off. I do that for 3 minutes, wait till it turns off, because it turns off automatically. And then I kind of lean back, and then I'll put it right here so that it gets my neck, and I use just red light for my neck. So it's super simple. And I did do a 90-day trial of this mask, which I'm going to tell you the results that I got from LED light therapy, period. So I wore this mask every night for 2 weeks. So I did this every single night for 2 weeks. And then for the remaining 90 days, I just did it 3 to 4 times a week. So let me tell you about my results, because I did actually have quite a few results. So one of the things that it did definitely do was it reduced my hyperpigmentation quite a bit. Now, having said that, I did get a couple of laser treatments in the past summer. And so I know that that reduced a lot of my brown spots. It took away my rosacea. So I know that this was just really an addition to that. And I started this mask probably in, I want to say like mid-August to beginning of September is when I started my review of this mask. So I definitely saw a huge improvement in my hyperpigmentation fairly quickly. Again, I did have laser treatments in July. So that being said, you know, keep that in mind, but it did definitely reduce my hyperpigmentation. I don't have very many wrinkles. I think I only have like a crow's feet if I smile. And then I do have some 11s that I get Botox on pretty regularly with those, mainly because they're really hard to fight. But I definitely saw a reduction in my 11s. I definitely saw a reduction in any forehead lines that I did have, and my smile lines were slightly reduced. So I definitely see a huge difference with this device. One of the biggest differences is skin tone overall, and definitely in the firmness and elasticity of my skin. I saw a huge improvement in that, and I was super excited about that portion of it because I knew it was really getting my collagen to start like pumping up in my skin, which I was super happy about. My skin also looked plumper and just more hydrated and more youthful and glowing in general. So I was super happy about those results as well. All in all, I think LED masks are worth it. I think any LED mask that you get that puts that science behind it, like the Dr. Dennis Gross or the Omnilux, are going to be good masks. That being said, it is an investment. These are a pricier item. You do have to pay a little bit more for these because of the science that's involved, but this is something that is definitely worth it, makes a great Christmas gift or a birthday gift, or even just a yearly, I'm gonna treat myself for a particular skin condition. So this is a really good investment to make. So there you have it, my review of LED masks, the Dr. Dennis Gross Dr. X SpectraLite FaceWare Pro mask, my review of that, plus what I think about LED light therapy for your face in general. Let me know in the comment box if you are doing LED therapy, if you have a particular LED device that you like or that you trust or that you've been using and you've noticed any results. Maybe you've been using LED and you haven't noticed any results. Let me know in the comment box below. I really want to hear what you guys have to say. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time on Glow Up with Shelly.